Welcome back to the channel. Today we have smart water valve. So what does it do with the app, or it is two-year compatible or compatible with the Smart Life app, where it can measure the volume of the water and also can be remotely switched on and off. Let's see what is inside or what is on the cover. It is EGT remote control and automation. It has water meter and also temperature sensor, and also water current can be adjusted, and with timer and countdown function as standard. So let's see what is inside. Instruction, user manual, model number is FK BV05. The maximum pressure is 1 MPa with 5 volts, which I think it is difficult in my case. I have to check. And app control and touch button. So it says connect. Should be pretty straightforward, and app control seems to be a good interface. Temperature can be also shown. It has alarm function, and you can create the scenes and so on. So it has one USB cable, USB adapter. Oh, this is also nice. It has 2 DN2 converters, and this thing itself, it seems to be pretty heavy. That is a flow of the water direction, and here is the switch and another switch. So I think it is touch button. What else is there? So nothing else. So before I connect it, I will try to use it with power bank and configure and see whether it works or not before I do with my pipings. So the moment I attached the power, if you can see, it is trying to open and close continuously. Okay, so it goes through the cycle, and here it is looking for the app or Wi-Fi signal. Let's see, currently it is red. Does it moves or not? And now it is opening. I have touched the switch. Okay, so this thing seems to work, and it is green, it means it open. And if I switch it, and now it is trying to close, and when it is closed it should be red. Yes, very good. So it seems to work. So now I will switch to Smart Life app and see what kind of interface this thing has. Okay, so I have started the Smart Life app, and it has already been identified. So I will click on add, and it is being added. Now it has been added, and let's go to the interface. What is in the interface? And currently it is at off position. I wouldn't say that because it is currently at on position, so something is wrong. Let's see. Okay, and it doesn't say okay, but sure. And I would say max. And if off, okay, so it is getting off. So the default it cannot identify, but based upon the connection it can turn it itself. So and now let's say the settings. It has anti-rust function, power fail status, water usage alarm, and so on. Water unit can be set to gallon. Water temperature alarm can be set. Now let's see, is there any update? Currently there is no update. Okay, the app seems to be pretty standard and neat. So now I will add it in my piping system, and then we'll show again how it works. And in the meantime, you can like the video if you have liked it, and subscribe it. Currently now I'm at 540 subscribers. Make it 1000 guys. Thanks for watching, and in a moment. Okay, so now I have connected it, and it is showing that the temperature is around 52 degrees, and currently it is at and around 52 degrees. It should be around 58 degrees, but within the moment if I run it, and around 5.5 liters has gone. Let me switch it off. Okay, and statistics, it says around 7 liters have gone. Temperature, it is around 53 degrees or 55 degrees. It is now around 54 degrees. Quantify, I can say single use 10 liters daily water. I can also limit, but I will check it based upon the usage. Yeah, that's what it shows. Let's go it again, and it can be switched on and off. That's pretty much cool. Yeah, then what I have to also do is, if there is no power, then it should always be in on condition. So anti-rust function I will say off, and power failure status, it should be always be in on, and I would say save. Water usage alarm, I would say yes, and if it is more than I will first check how much water is being used. So water usage alarm edge switched off. Yeah, what else can I do? I can do some open percentage to say 70% and say sure, and it switches to 70%. No. Okay, quantify how much water can be used. Schedule, I can turn it on and off. Oh, so it is not bad. So I will just show you my installation, and then we will switch. So this is how it is connected. The main warm water line is coming here, and this is how it is connected. You have to make sure that the flow direction arrow is taken care of. Yeah, and give some power supply, and that's how it is connected, and in my opinion it works. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.